Hi, my name is Elyse from VR Expert, and I'm excited to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to get started with the MetaQuest 3 and the MetaQuest 3S. Whether you're a first-time user or upgrading from a previous model, this video will guide you step-by-step from unboxing and setup to using. The MetaQuest 3 and the MetaQuest 3S are powerful standalone VR headsets designed for immersive experiences. No PC or external sensors required. The Quest 3 features higher resolutions, better performance, and a slimmer model compared to the previous models. The MetaQuest 3S is the more affordable version, featuring the core features of the MetaQuest series, while keeping it simple and accessible. Once you receive the box, you can find a charging cable, the headsets, the two touch controllers, and a quick start guide. To charge the headset, you can use the given USB-C cables and charge it on the side of the headsets. A small LED light will show red while charging and green while fully charged, and charging the headsets will take about 2 to 2.5 hours. Each controller is powered by one AA battery. It already comes with a battery when you receive it, and to replace the batteries, you remove the sides, and there you can find it. The on buttons are located next to the charging ports, here on the MetaQuest 3S and here on the MetaQuest 3, and you just have to press and hold to turn them on or off. The volume buttons you can find underneath the headset, here and here. Also underneath the headset, you can adjust the distance of the lens. For the MetaQuest 3S, that is a button. And for the MetaQuest 3, you can find a little wheel to adjust. So the controllers of the headsets are for both headsets the same. They come with the joysticks and both two buttons. The joystick is usually used for teleporting or moving, and the buttons are used for selecting and grabbing things. So there's also a button on the side and a trigger up front used to select things or confirm things. And on the left controller there's a menu button, and on the right controller there's a meta button. If you press it, it will take you out of applications, and if you press the meta button for longer, it will recalibrate your viewpoint. To set up your headset, you have two options. Option 1, using the MetaQuest mobile app. First, you download the Meta app on your smartphone, then you log in with your Meta account, follow the on-screen instructions to pair your headset. Or option 2, enrolling the MetaQuest headset on the Horizon Management Services platform. Use this option when you have to install and manage multiple headsets. Power on the headset, then connect it to a Wi-Fi network, click on Connect to Organization, and then fill in the displayed code on the MHMS to enroll the headset. So that's it, a quick guide to get started with your MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S. Thanks for watching and enjoy your VR experience.